Hey guys, welcome back to Sunny's ToyBox. Who has seen the brand new Steven Spielberg Jurassic World movie? I have. If you haven't, definitely check it out if you're able to. It is amazing, and I am not going to give you any spoilers, but I don't think it's a spoiler that there's dinosaurs in it. So it's super amazingly awesome. And so that came out over here on the 12th of June, but we had to wait in Australia until today to get the brand new Lego Jurassic World. Ta-da! So there we go. Oh my goodness, I am so excited because we got it. I've just seen it on posters. I haven't actually seen it until now up close. So we've got Claire and we've got, I have no idea what his name is, but Chris Pratt plays him anyway. So that's those guys. And then you've got this amazing dinosaur up the back. And then you can replay a whole bunch of different scenes from the previous 3 Jurassic Park movies, as well as be your own dinosaur, which is so cool. And there's some raptors and then this awesome sphere. I don't know if you can see that, guys. It's like an attraction in the movie. But yeah. So yes, Nintendo 3DS. Let's check out the back. Oh my goodness. 4 Jurassic Adventures, 1 colossal video game. Experience an unforgettable journey that's 65 million bricks in the making. And we've got some of the different scenes from a couple of the movies. Play as a dinosaur and wreak havoc on the island. I'm definitely going to be doing that. Relive your favourite moments from the films and customise your very own dinosaur creations. So there you go. Oh my goodness. Amazing. And I have a Nintendo 2DS. So it will not be in 3D. But that's okay. I much prefer the 2DS. But totally up to you guys which one you get it on. I know that it's on a whole bunch of different platforms. And it is rated PG for mild violence. So a lot of people should be able to play it. So I am going to open it up. And then afterwards I'm going to get my 2DS off charge where it currently is now. And we're going to check out what it looks like when you first put the game in. I almost forgot to show you what I got with the actual game when I pre-ordered it. So I did pre-order it, and with it came this amazingly, it's a really beautiful design pack. So you've got the dinosaur up here and like these scales, beautiful. And it is called Dr. Wu. So this is Dr. Wu, and then that is that famous piece of amber, I think it's called, with the fossilized mosquito in it. So there we go. But I'm going to leave it in its pack, just as I did for the Batman 3 Elastoman. But now we are going to get on to actually opening this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I've got my scissors. I don't think I've ever actually done a game opening before, so this is a first for me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. Wow, the visuals are even brighter now. I just know this is going to look amazing, and of course that is the creator of it all in the movies, Hammond, who is played by Richard Attenborough, I think. He is the coolest person ever. Okay, so let's open it. Oh my goodness. I don't want to break anything. It's going to open. And here it is with the dinosaur actually roaring. And there's the code of the actual game down there. And I'll just see. Here is the booklet that came with it. And a quick guide of what it's about and just kind of how you use it. So let's see. And here are a bunch of Lego sets, I guess, that you can do. So There we go. What does this say? Get ready for an adventure. 65 million bricks in the making. The gates of Lego Jurassic World are now open. Relive the heart-pounding action from all 4 Jurassic movies in this colossal Lego adventure. Awesome. Explore the hidden wonders of Isla Nublar, and Isla Sorna, where you can create and control your own collection of unique, customizable Lego dinosaurs. And there are the controls if you want to pause and work all that out. But now let's shove it in the 2DS and see what it's like. Alright, I've put it in, and this is what it looks like on the front screen. Lego Jurassic World. And then this little pterodactyl up here flying around with, of course, both symbols. So let's get into it. System update is required to use the software update. Yes. So I'm just going to do this and then we'll get back into it. So there we go, system update all done. That maybe took about 2 minutes, so just be aware that you might have to do that if you put in the game, if it is on 3DS and you're using a 2DS like mine. But anyway, enough talking. Get into it. Preparing save data. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh, what a cool sound. Okay, what do all these do? Save game, subtitles, credits, enter code, language, volume, play. That's what we want, right? Raptor transfer. Okay, so these are all the things that we have to do to pass it. Whoa. Spoiler alert, guys, if you haven't seen the movie, don't keep watching.
I want tasers on full charge.
Robert Muldoon. And I'm having a total blank as to which movie this is. What? I'm shooting random people. I hope you guys can see this all right. That's better. I love whacking these random plants.
Sorry, there's no way to get up to the raptor pen until the new generator gets unpacked and built. You have to kickstart it with your stun rod. By the way, whatever you do, don't try licking the ends of these things.
So I need to change to the other guy. Oh, duh. That's how you do it. I'm going to explore what's down here first. Alright. Well, I'll keep playing and give you guys glimpses of different sections of the game. So I hope you enjoy. Ooh. Oh, this is super cool. The bits with these things. Oh my goodness, come on, dinosaur! Oh, okay, so we have to go. So these.
I can't figure that panel out at all.
So these little things are telling you where you need to go next. Down the bottom, what does it say? So first one is this, then that, then that. So we are just going to see until this dinosaur, because otherwise you guys are going to get so bored with how long it takes me to finish this, because I absolutely love to collect all the different coin things, I guess you'd call them, or brick pieces. I absolutely love to collect all them, and that's just boring to watch, so we'll do this. Oh my goodness. Yay! And we've done it. Oh, and that classic music. Oh, well, I hope you guys really enjoyed checking out the Lego Jurassic World game, and I will definitely keep you updated if there's anything exciting that's been going on. Otherwise, feel free to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Bye, guys.